Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So we begin with a series of videos that go over the book that we have produced, or the curriculum that we have produced, that's called Understanding Quranic Arabic and Beyond. The book, the PDF version, can be downloaded in the description. The link is there. So if we skip to the introduction. So the aim of this book and curriculum is twofold. The first is learning the foundations of Arabic grammar so that one can easily recite the Holy Quran and read the Hadiths of the Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in Arabic and with understanding. So with the hope this leads to acting on these two sources of guidance. And the second aim is taking a first strong step in understanding Arabic grammar so that one can study Arabic texts such as tafsirs or interpretations of the Holy Quran, and the sharhs or interpretations or discussions of the Hadiths of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Therefore, this curriculum has been structured to achieve these two aims. Anything beyond the scope of these two aims has been removed or omitted from this curriculum and should be pursued by those interested after completing this course. We highly recommend using the table of contents sidebar in order to switch between the relevant chapters throughout this book, and especially the vocabulary list chapter at the end. So if I show you, so the table of contents, so there's different chapters, and within the different headings there's subheadings as well, which we can, inshallah, we'll go through one by one in these videos. So back to introduction. So inshallah, that's the first video, and we will continue next time with the first chapter in the course. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.